Have you ever felt like your shoes just don't match your style, whether it's sneakers or flip-flops? The shoes you wear can make all the difference in how elegant and confident you feel. Choosing the right shoes isn't just about comfort, it's a key part of creating a polished, sophisticated look, especially for women over 50. Shoes are more than just accessories. They're essential elements that elevate your entire appearance, boosting your elegance and confidence with every step. The shoes you choose play a huge role in shaping your overall style. The right pair can instantly make you look more put together and confident, while the wrong ones can detract from your outfit. A thoughtfully chosen pair of shoes complements your look and reflects attention to detail in your personal style. 1. Chunky sneakers have become a popular trend in recent years, praised for their comfort and sporty vibe. However, when it comes to achieving an elegant and polished look for women over 50, chunky sneakers are far from the ideal choice. These bulky shoes can make your outfit look heavy and unbalanced, rather than highlighting the natural grace and sophistication that women in this age group often aim for. While they may be comfortable and trendy, they often clash with more refined and classic pieces in your wardrobe. The issue with chunky sneakers is that they can make your entire outfit look too casual and cluttered. Instead of enhancing your overall look, they tend to draw attention to your feet in a way that disrupts the flow of your outfit. These shoes are typically associated with streetwear and casual styles, which means they don't align with the polished, timeless aesthetic that many women over 50 prefer to project. So, what should you wear instead? Opt for sneakers that are minimalist and refined. Choose neutral colors like white, beige, or light gray. These types of sneakers are just as comfortable, but offer a much more sophisticated appearance. A simple, low-profile sneaker can pair beautifully with tailored pants, cropped jeans, or even a casual midi dress. Leather or suede sneakers can also be great options, as they add structure and sophistication to your look. Unlike their canvas counterparts, when choosing minimalist sneakers, be sure to select ones with minimal logos and embellishments to maintain a timeless appeal. Incorporating these sleek sneakers into your wardrobe not only keeps you comfortable, but also ensures your outfit remains elegant and well-balanced. Remember, elegance isn't about discomfort. It's about making smart choices that elevate your style while still allowing you to feel at ease. By replacing chunky sneakers with more streamlined options, you can create a look that is both chic and effortless. 2. Flip-flops are incredibly convenient and comfortable, especially during those hot summer days. However, when it comes to maintaining an elegant and polished look, flip-flops aren't the ideal choice, especially for women over 50. While they're easy to slip on and offer comfort, they lack the sophistication needed to elevate your outfit for more formal or refined occasions. One of the main issues with flip-flops is that they offer little to no support. Without proper structure, flip-flops fail to provide the necessary support for your feet, which can lead to poor posture and make your walk appear unbalanced. This lack of support not only causes discomfort, but also undermines the elegance of your outfit. Furthermore, the distinct slapping sound of flip-flops as you walk can also detract from your overall graceful appearance in settings that require a more polished or classy vibe. That sound can be off-putting and make your movements seem less refined. Instead of flip-flops, consider opting for sandals or slides with a more structured design. Leather sandals or slides with a solid build provide the same comfort but are far more elegant. Look for designs that feature minimalistic, clean lines and soft, breathable materials like leather or suede. These types of shoes not only offer comfort, but also add a touch of sophistication to your outfit, making them perfect for everything from casual outings to more formal events. When choosing alternatives to flip-flops, focus on styles that offer both practicality and style, such as sandals with small block heels or slides with subtle embellishments. These options help you maintain comfort without sacrificing elegance. Furthermore, leather sandals or slides work well with various outfits, from casual dresses and skirts to linen pants or shorts. By swapping flip-flops for sandals or slides with a more polished design, you can maintain comfort while ensuring your look remains classy and refined. The right footwear can truly make a difference in how you carry yourself and how others perceive your style. 3. Ballet flats are a staple in many women's wardrobes, valued for their comfort and versatility. However, when these flats become worn out or stretched, they can start to detract from your overall look, making you appear less polished and less put together. Worn-out ballet flats can make even the most stylish outfit look tired and unrefined. When the shoes lose their shape, they no longer provide the sleek, graceful appearance that is essential for an elegant look. This lack of structure can cause the entire outfit to seem lackluster and unkempt, even if everything else is on point. To maintain a sophisticated and polished look, it's best to replace old ballet flats with high-quality alternatives made from materials like leather or suede. These materials not only provide better durability, but also maintain their shape over time, keeping your shoes looking fresh and stylish. Leather and suede ballet flats offer a more refined aesthetic, and they pair beautifully with a wide range of outfits, from casual dresses to tailored pants. If you're looking to update your style, consider loafers or pointed-toe shoes as alternatives to ballet flats. Loafers are incredibly versatile and offer a more structured, refined look, while pointed-toe flats elongate the legs and give a more elegant silhouette. Both options are timeless, offering sophistication while still ensuring comfort. By swapping out worn ballet flats for higher quality alternatives, you can ensure your shoes complement your outfit and maintain the elegance and confidence you deserve. Whether you go for leather flats, loafers, or pointed-toe shoes, choosing quality footwear will elevate your overall appearance and keep you looking stylish and put together. 4. High heels over 10 cm may make you look taller and more glamorous, but they come with significant health issues and discomfort. Wearing heels that high can make your walk appear unnatural. Your body has to adjust to maintain balance, which can lead to awkward movement and discomfort. Standing in such high heels for extended periods shifts your body weight to the front of your feet, causing foot pain, blisters, and even long-term issues like bunions. Moreover, wearing heels that high can make your steps look stiff and forced, rather than graceful and fluid. Instead of opting for high heels that are too tall, consider switching to block heels or kitten heels. These options still give you the height you desire while offering greater comfort and stability. Block heels provide better support, allowing you to walk naturally and comfortably while maintaining a balanced look. Kitten heels offer a subtle lift without sacrificing comfort, making them a perfect option for those who want elegance but don't want to compromise on ease. Block heels and kitten heels are excellent alternatives to high heels. If you're looking for shoes that you can wear for longer periods without experiencing discomfort, ballet flats or wedge shoes might also be great choices. These alternatives will allow you to stay comfortable while still maintaining a polished and stylish appearance. 5. Clear plastic shoes or plastic footwear aren't ideal for creating a polished, sophisticated look. While they may seem fun or trendy in certain settings, they lack the refinement and elegance needed for a more classic, timeless style. Plastic shoes often appear cheap and lack the elegance of higher-end materials like leather or suede. These shoes can detract from the overall sophistication of your outfit, making it look less polished. The synthetic material lacks the smooth, refined finish that leather or suede provides, which can make your outfit seem less intentional and well-coordinated. Additionally, clear plastic shoes are prone to scuffing and scratching easily, which can quickly ruin their appearance. After just a few wears, these shoes can lose their shine and begin to look worn, detracting from the overall aesthetic. Unlike leather or suede, plastic doesn't recover its appearance after being damaged, which can lead to shoes that look tired and unkempt. To replace clear plastic shoes, opt for footwear made from materials like leather, suede, or velvet. These materials are not only more durable, but also offer a more sophisticated and elegant appearance. Leather and suede shoes maintain their structure and shine over time and are much easier to keep clean. Velvet, on the other hand, adds a luxurious, soft texture to your look, elevating the overall feel of your outfit. Leather, suede, and velvet are all fantastic alternatives to plastic shoes, providing a more polished, refined aesthetic while also offering greater durability. By choosing shoes made from these materials, you can maintain a high level of elegance and sophistication in your style. 6. Shoes with too many decorative elements like large bows, rhinestones, or elaborate laces can easily detract from the overall elegance of an outfit. While these embellishments might seem fun or attention-grabbing in certain settings, they don't align with the refined, timeless style that women over 50 typically aim for. When shoes are over-decorated, they can make an outfit feel cluttered and lacking balance, instead of highlighting your natural grace and poise. These shoes often add unnecessary complexity that disrupts the flow of the outfit. For women over 50, simplicity and sophistication are key to maintaining a polished look. Moreover, overly embellished shoes can take away from your overall elegance by making your steps appear less graceful. Rather than enhancing the outfit, these shoes create visual chaos and make it harder to achieve that effortlessly chic appearance. They can cause the overall look to feel forced and less natural, which is not the goal when aiming for a refined, timeless style. To replace shoes with too many decorations, opt for pairs with minimalist designs that still have a touch of elegance. Look for shoes with subtle details like a small metallic buckle or a soft, elegant trim. These simple, refined details will maintain the streamlined look while adding a sophisticated focal point to your outfit. Choosing minimalist shoes helps maintain a balanced, graceful appearance while keeping your style polished and timeless. If you're looking for shoes that provide both elegance and subtle charm, those with understated details will be a perfect choice. 7. While Ugg boots are warm and comfortable, they aren't the ideal choice for achieving an elegant and refined look. Uggs tend to be bulky and clunky, which can take away from the sleek, polished appearance that you might be going for with your outfit. Their oversized design often makes your entire ensemble look heavy and lacking in finesse, which is not ideal for occasions that call for a more sophisticated style. The bulky nature of Ugg boots makes them difficult to pair with more formal or polished outfits. Their rugged look clashes with the streamlined, graceful aesthetic that is often desired. When wearing Uggs, your outfit may lose its elegance and appear less thoughtful or well put together. Instead of Ugg boots, opt for ankle-high boots made of leather or suede. These boots not only keep you warm in the winter, but also add a layer of elegance to your look. Leather and suede are materials that provide a sleek, sophisticated vibe while still offering comfort and durability. These boots can easily be paired with dresses, tailored pants, or long coats, creating a perfect winter outfit that remains chic and stylish. Switching to leather or suede boots in place of Uggs will help you maintain a refined and warm look for the winter season. These alternatives offer both practicality and elegance, ensuring that you look polished without sacrificing comfort. Elegance doesn't come from trying too hard, it comes from making smart, subtle choices. By selecting shoes that are stylish yet comfortable, you can enhance your look while feeling confident and at ease. Invest in shoes that not only elevate your style but also provide the comfort you need to carry yourself confidently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more fashion tips. Share this video with friends to help each other elevate your style and confidence every day.